Sly Snake gun test. Sorry. And we will be testing 2 Zombie Strike, 1 normal, and 1 from Chuck E. Cheese. So let's start with the one from Chuck E. Cheese, called the Dino Blaster. It comes with 3 darts, and using it in the apocalypse would be nice. I lost one of the darts. You just squeeze it, then the air pushes it. Sorry, that was a bad shot. Just squeeze it hard, then the air pushes it hard, I guess, and boom, fires. So yeah, it was a very good weapon. But reloading could get to you. And if it's a bad shot, yeah, so this is a good weapon. Wow! My second one. The Nerf Zombie Strike, I call it the Scoper because I don't remember it. There will be a life blooper because I have all sorts of bloopers. So, you hold it, so, here's what you do. You load it, you fire it. I'm good. Well, that's going to be in bloopers. Well, I only have 2 darts. That might happen to you too. Well, then that's good, but the reloading is going to be brutal. And now, the Doominator! Yes, you know about, you saw this in We Light Our Lights to Apocalypse Weapons, but, it's very big, very tough. It's got 4 barrels, 24 darts, $40 from Target, Zombie Strike, all the good qualities for the apocalypse. And we did light our lights. And the last one I call All Reliable. Classic rifle. The other one can be really fast, but not for my speed. It's good. Now, there you have it with the Sly Snake review, on Sly Snake Reviews. Thank you.